guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Walter, both your Excel and data analysis expert. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert watermark onto your Excel sheet. Sometimes you will have an official document or you are creating an official document and you will need to add watermark to it to prove its authenticity, but you are unable to do that. Today's tutorial, I will do this very briefly and show you how to do this very easily. So let's go. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video to support my channel. Thank you. Let's go. So first of all, I have an Excel sheet here of a pay slip of my business and I want to make it look more official. So I'm going to insert a watermark to it, a watermark of my company logo to it, to make it look official. So let's see how this is done. So first of all, just go to the insert button and go to header and footer. So now we have the header here at the top here. Click on any of them. I'll go with the middle one, the center, and click on picture. Now go to your files and select where your picture is. So I'll browse and my logo is here in pictures. So here is it. So I'll select and click insert. You see now the picture is being inserted and the right picture here. So let me see. Voila, now my picture has arrived, but this is just a picture covering my sheet. It doesn't look like a watermark. So let's tweak this to see. So go back to your header part. Okay, so we go back to our header and then enter this until it aligns with where you want your watermark to be. This is okay for me, so I'll leave it here. Press anywhere and yes, it has been repositioned. Good, but still this is just a picture. Now let's make some changes to this. Go back to your header, click design and then format picture. Now we can reduce the size of the picture. You can reduce using the height and width here, but I'll just use the percentage here. So I'll reduce mine to 50% height and 50% width and press OK. Let's see how it looks. Good. Now the size is okay. This size is okay, but it's still a picture. Let's do a bit more editing to this and see how it turns out. So go back, click your header panel, then go back to design, format picture, go to picture, and this automatic, the color automatic, we'll change that to washout. Change it to washout and press OK. And let's see what happens. Voila, and here we have our watermark. So this is simple. This is how to insert a watermark. So if the position is good, fine. If the position is not good and you want to bring it up or down, just go back to your header, and then if you want to bring it up, just backspace until you reach where you want to put it, and that's it. And our watermark is here. Yeah, so this is very simple. This is how to create a watermark. Yes, this payslip that we just use here is, you can find that in my previous tutorial. So if you want to know how to create a payslip for your business, you can go to my channel and watch this. So this is simply how to create a watermark for your Excel. So let's try to print this and see what happens. Yes, so you can see the watermark in there. Yeah, this is quite simple. Thanks for watching. If today is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more educative video on Excel, and all data analysis tools.